Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous video, for which I provided the link in the description, we revisited the 200 Kamau Ka-2260 Russian helicopters deal of India. We also discussed the recent update on the first batch of helicopters, which is expected to be rolled out by 2025 tentatively. So what is this particular video all about? I'm not sure if everyone knows about the competitor helicopter which was pitched against this Russian Kamau helicopter for the 200 helicopters deal of India. So let us quickly see which chopper was the competitor for Ka-226T, and let's see the comparison of these two helicopters real quick. The helicopter which was pitched against the Ka-226T was the Eurocopter or Airbus AS550 Fennec. The Airbus AS550 are lightweight multipurpose military helicopters which can be fitted with coaxial weapons, rockets, torpedoes, and various other munitions. Now that we know the competitor and the winner, let us see what is so special about the Kamau Ka-2260 chopper for which India selected the same. Let's do a quick generic comparison like general characteristics, engine, avionics, and other features. First, as usual, the definitions of these choppers. Since we already defined the Airbus AS550, let us see the definition of Ka-226T. The Kamau Ka-226 is a small, twin-engine Russian utility helicopter which features an interchangeable mission pod rather than a conventional cabin, which allows the use of various accommodation and equipment configurations. Coming to the general characteristics, if you see the general characteristics, the Kamau Ka-226T is better in majority of them. These choppers accommodates more passengers compared to Airbus AS550. And coming to cargo carrying capability, it can carry 1200 kg of cargo inside the cabin and 1500 kg load on external sling. The maximum takeoff weight with underslung load is 3800 kilograms. The rest of the general characteristics has been displayed on the screen for your quick reference. So that was all about the general characteristics. Now let us see the details about the engines which power these choppers. The Ka-226T is powered by two Turbomeca Aries 2G1 engines with takeoff power of 705 HP and contingency power of 580 HP each. This rotorcraft is equipped with an engine fire protection system and fire warning system. Coming to Airbus AS550, this chopper is powered with one Turbomeca Ariel 2B turboshaft engine with 847 shp. The engine is fitted with full authority digital engine control, which reduces the workload of the pilot as well as the fuel consumption. If we compare the avionics detail, the Ka-226T helicopters have multifunctional displays, automatic control system, navigation system, and radar. These choppers can be configured with a medical module for search and rescue missions very easily, and the lightning equipment of the Ka-226T cockpit enables the pilot to fly the helicopter during night, including the night vision goggles. The Airbus AS550 has a multifunction display which displays details about the engine parameters, and it is also equipped with night vision compatibility navigation suite which includes a global positioning system. We won't be comparing the armament details for these choppers since the Kamau Ka-226T were designed as a light multipurpose helicopter to conduct aerial surveillance, patrol, transport cargo, and it can be converted into various versions for search and rescue and medical evacuation. So that was a quick comparison and quick information about the competitor helicopter Airbus AS550 which lost the 200 helicopters deal of India. If we want to summarize the main advantage of Kamau Ka-226T chopper, these choppers can be operated in any geographical and climatic conditions and day and night as well. It's very versatile as the module replacement takes very less time. Its compactness enables landing on unprepared terrain, And its excellent handling and easy operation and low maintenance is an added advantage. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with your new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.